Hello everyone, welcome to Elora's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Today let's check how to make this dry fruit cake. This I made with egg and it came out really well. So let's get started and check out the recipe. Take oil or butter 1/4 cup, half cup of powdered sugar and 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon of condensed milk. This is optional. Take half cup of curd and mix everything well. Mix them for 3 to 4 minutes. Take 1 cup of Maida or all-purpose flour. Then take 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. Sieve everything well and then mix them once. You can also use a spatula and do a cut and fold method. Now just take some pinch of nutmeg powder. This is optional again. And take half cup of dry fruits. I have taken raisins, walnut, almond, cranberry. So whatever dry fruits you have, you can add them. Now transfer everything to the baking tray. I've already added the parchment paper and grease them with oil. Now tap them twice. Now just decorate with some chopped almond, or you can also decorate with some dry fruits on top. And bake it at 350 Fahrenheit or 180 centigrade for 35 minutes. Make sure to preheat the oven, and after 35 minutes you can check with the toothpick. It should come out clean. And scrape up the sides and then cut it and enjoy the delicious cake. Do definitely try out this recipe and let me know your comment in the feedback section. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a very nice day.